Hey wanderers, wanted to share some pictures of Badlands National Park. I'd been here last summer in September. It's got like gorgeous views, gorgeous formations, as you can see, like such beautiful colored patterned rocks. Um, I think I got really lucky when it comes to the weather. It was not too hot. In fact, it was actually like raining and there were like hailstones even. But yeah, like such a wonderful place. Like even the hikes were manageable, easy to do, and again, beautiful views and kind of accessible, as in like they're all close by. Do enjoy this park if you can. Bye.